Hello students, today we will be dividing fractions. Our first step is to convert from mixed fractions or mixed numbers to improper fractions if you have mixed numbers. So here's your problem. 6.5 divided by 1/4. And of course when we're converting, we want to use Texas, or we want to multiply and then add. I only have one mixed number, so 6 times 2 plus 1 is 13. Of course, the denominator stays the same. And I do not need to change 1/4 because it is already, it does not have a whole number by it. So this is my new problem that I'm going to work with here. So next, we're going to flip the second fraction. This is very important in the dividing fraction step. This is the step that is different from multiplying fractions. All of the steps are the same except for step 2. So we're going to flip the second fraction. So what that looks like is, with our new improper fraction, 13/2 divided by 1/4, we're going to take that second fraction and we're going to flip it around. So this is what it looks like. 13/2 multiplied, it's now multiplication when we flip it, by 4/1. So it now changes to multiplication. Our third step is, now that it's multiplication, we multiply across. So 13/2 times 4/1. 13 times 4, I'm going to do a little side note because sometimes I forget, which is 52 over 2 times 1, which is 2. And we just multiply across. 13 times 4, it's 52. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we have an improper fraction, and now we're going to convert from improper to mixed. And we do this by division. So remember, the top number goes inside the house, bottom number goes outside the house. So 2 into 52. Alright. So we have these three numbers here. We have our whole number, our denominator, and our numerator. So I'm going to write this as 26/0/2. But because this is 0/2, we don't have to do that. So we're just going to leave this as 26 wholes. 26 wholes. At the bottom of your video homework practice sheet, there is a blank on the very back sheet. Your code word is, write the teacher's name that Mr. White called on the announcements. In one of my videos, I was interrupted by an announcement. Who was the teacher's name that Mr. White called to the office?